I want to see like this candle especially is closing at least above this inverted fair value to make it inverted. It's not inverted when I took the entry. So this is the entry. There is a high probability this fair value will not be retested. I was not expecting it to fill it up like that way, but it is what it is. Let's see. The fair value is available. Now all I want to see market is going above this for a confirmation. And about the 15 minutes chart, yes, I know there is a lot of other things, and that's the 8:30 open. This is the London high or extreme high of today. I'm expecting market to come here. Okay, this is where it to come. So for that, not maybe today, but whenever it is, it should go there. And my stop loss is covering because of that volume imbalance. I just put a little tick below that, but anyway, and this is where I want to see if market is going with a good enough volatility or not. That high is valid for shifting market structure, and this is the first fair value of the silver bullet. Okay, so New York silver bullet AM session, this is 10 a.m. and 11 a.m, you know, like wherever it is. At the same time, if you look properly, this is that macro. So this is that macro. Market has cleared the sell side inside of the macro. This is the fair value where market has traded, and now it's going higher. I know there is a new week opening gap, but if market can create a fair value here, okay, it will go a bit higher, like maybe on the upper portion of this new week opening gap, give me a black candle as a order block, then again continue higher. Now I'm seeing around $2,000 profit over there, but what I did over here is literally, this is a riskier approach. At the same time, why I'm saying riskier approach is because without the market structure confirmation or without breaking that new week opening gap, this buy was not a valid buy, or it's not a very high probability buy, that I should say. And since I know what I'm looking for, or what the time is suggesting me, that buy is good enough to, you know, continue higher for these equal highs, especially the London high, and I'm expecting market to go at least there before falling. So maybe I will not hold until that far or this far, depending on the price action. If it can keep this fair value, this fair value is also a very high probability. This is the breaker block. Okay, oh come on, everything is black. So this is that breaker block. Sorry, I just changed the background color because it's, and yeah, I mean, this is too much. I don't really want that. I have that new week opening gap over there. This sell side is a good sell side, but I'm not bearish on the market. It's just a huge week over there, and on the 4 hours, that is the only swing low that I can see, or even in hourly there is a fair value gap. See that fair value inside of that new day opening gap, and this is that order block. It tapped to the order block, now going higher. That's exactly what I want to see from the hourly chart. $3,000. I don't think it should come for that breaker, but anyway, I can move it somewhere here. From what I'm seeing, like the usually stop loss should be here at the break-even level, but it is what it is, like little bit of profit is where I'm putting it. And if you look properly where my stop loss and entry was, it was something like, I cannot remember where it was, somewhere here or something. something like this, 25 handle or something, and it has already given me more than 122. This is a fair value I'm a bit worried about, so I will take a partial around that fair value low. Oh no, just on what? It has given, anyway, let it get filled. Okay, yeah, I accidentally moved my 2.63 here. Okay, that's what I got. Now let's see what ICT is saying over here. So that's one lot. I want to take another one lot.
And then that experience that I can't encapsulate in a book, I can't encapsulate that in a lecture. There are things that are going to be much more
right about
useful
there.
to you because
Why it's showing 3 every time? Come on.
Information is in price. I don't
it's
know
not
that.
3.
You can tell me in an email, and I have lots of people try to do that, and they want me to fix their hang up.
This is where I want to
don't know
take.
all the things that you're feeling, what you're thinking, what you're fearful of, what you're excited about, what your motivation is. All of those things are going to be
let me
taking the trade.
Let me mute ICT. I was saying like what he's showing or talking about. Anyway, what is that? Undo. But it doesn't feel okay to me to have a stream going on or have something going on. This is the easiest and biggest easiest inversion to mark. Okay, why this is the easiest is because it just took the liquidity from this swing high until this swing low. There is only one, so there is no other fair value to mark as the inversion fair value. Anyway, so let's see. So this is the only fair value it has retested so far, and this fair value is what it's respecting.